All the heavy lifting has now been done. Everything is ready. We've already created a package and we're ready to use that package to start configuring our Oracle instance. So let's go and find the package that we created in the previous presentation, and let's start the process of configuring the Oracle application. As a reminder, the package was stored in this folder, and here it is here. You can see it's 540K, rather long file name, and its suffix is the BWP, Builder Wizard Package. So that's the one we'll use. Now let's start SwiftBuild. SwiftBuild has been downloaded and installed on the desktop computer, and simply start it by selecting the icon. There we go, SwiftBuild has started. What we need to do is click Next and then go and select the package. So we now need to find that package. Again, it was here. I'll just take the path. Now select my package that I wish to use. Now I need to select the server that I wish to use. Click Next. The server is contained within a file called an environment file. That environment file is here. I have a number of different servers that I can use and access. In this particular one, I'm going to use my 04 server. I select that file and it brings up on the screen all of the various connection parameters that Build may use during its processing. With that, the next step is to click Next. It will now check to see if it can access the server. All lights are green, which means everything is okay to go forward. If anything was red, you would need to fix the problem before continuing. So now I can click Next. And I get a list of job steps that it's going to run through and execute during its setup. Now, in order for the demonstration here to show you what it does more effectively, I've done a number of steps to start with, and I'm going to start the process in the middle, as I've already injected 90 something steps out of, let's have a look, 302. So I'm going to start it at step 98. As you can see on the screen, I've got it positioned at step 98. Where we go here is the first step is going to execute Oracle Forms, and then a number of steps thereafter will execute HTML. So you'll get to see both Forms and HTML in action. So let's press Start and see what happens. Now you should see it starting to initiate forms. In just a moment you'll see the Oracle Forms banner or the Oracle Applications banner come up. And you now see it starting to initiate forms. and you'll see a login screen come up. Now you may or may not see any more than that, in that this actual process is running on the server. The instruction file to forms has been sent to the server. There we go, it's running, it's finished. Has been sent to the server. Okay, Firefox is open. I need to close my Firefox. There we go, close my web browser. Okay. And restart the process. Okay, it's transferred the instructions to the server. It initiated forms on the server. It sends back the screen images to your desktop. So you can see it starting JInitiator. You can see the Oracle form application starting. You can see one or more screens depending on what it is doing at the time. And that's just a setting in Oracle Forms. You can set it to display every screen, but that's not particularly advisable. It slows down the injection substantially. Now we've got HTML starting up, and it's going to navigate through all of the screens just like you would, only essentially this is an electronic consultant doing the job. So it's finished the first HTML, now it's starting the second one. Let's finish the next one. Now I'm going to ask it to pause after the next job step. So I can do that by simply clicking pause. I can then suspend my computer, shut down whatever, pack up, go home and restart this job at a later time. There we go. It's stopped. Now I will continue that in session 2 if anyone wants to actually watch further injections. For now I'm going to close down this session, and as I say, you can continue looking at the next part if you wish to see more.